Welcome back. This video is for Windows users only. If you're on Windows, there is one more thing you have to install. If you're on a Mac or Linux-based machine, you can go ahead and skip this one and move on to the next one. There's nothing for you here. All right, if you're still watching, I am going to assume that you are on Windows, and what I'm going to do is switch over to a virtual machine. I know this might not be the clearest resolution. I'm only going to be using the virtual machine in this one video. What you need to install is a program called cmder, and you can find that at cmder.net. cmder is a terminal emulator for Windows. So in the next video, we're actually going to explore the terminal and we're going to run some commands from it. If you're on Mac or Linux, you're going to have access to the same set of commands. If you're on Windows, there's a slightly different set of commands. But with a program like cmder, you can actually use the same standardized commands right on your Windows machine. This is a super popular program. It's also similar to Git Bash, which tries to do the exact same thing. All you need to do, though, is install it. In the next video, we'll explore it. So down below, there are two types of installers. There's the mini installer and the full installer. You want to grab the full installation. All this is going to do is download a zip. I have the zip already downloaded and extracted since this virtual machine is really slow. But once you do open up that cmder directory, you're going to have the cmder application. All you have to do is double click it. It's going to crack open a new window that looks just like this. And while it might take a few seconds to start the first time around, in the future it should start pretty quickly. So whenever I open up the terminal on my Mac, like I'm going to do in the next video, you're just going to open up cmder instead. You'll be able to follow along and run the exact same commands. So make sure you do have this program set up. Do take a moment to try to crack it open and make sure you see something like this. Obviously the details will be a little different, but you should see a black screen where it's asking you to type something in. If you do see this, then you're ready to move on to the next video where we're going to explore some commands we can actually use right inside of here. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.